Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation down in Warner Robins, Georgia. Former customer. We roofed their house next door and their personal house. Last week we put a new roof on their storage building. They asked us to replace all the vinyl siding to match it, the main house rather. Big shout out to Rob and the folks at Siding Supply. They're the only ones in town that had a close match. Big thanks to that. Got Isaiah, the Metal Master Pro here. Got our fascia ran. Me and Macario got the sheathing replaced where it was rotten on the bottom. All the way around the back. Get that fascia wrapped. Get this whole building looking up to speed. Match the nice roof we put on 2 years ago. I'll keep you posted with the finished product. As always, if we can help you out with your exterior projects, roofing, siding, gutters, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.